What's up, what's up, my beautiful peeps? What's up, YouTube world? What's up, Speak My Mind family? One nation stands alone. What's up? How you have been all doing? All you people in the diaspora. I want to say enough respect to all you supporting the channel, all my subscribers, and all who have not subscribed as yet. Just hit that subscribe button and get subscribed to the channel, and just continue to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and as I said, most time you have a lot of people, might be a friend who is not really into probably YouTube world, but just to get that subscription, you just take the phone and just subscribe to the channel. You know it goes. Now cost $1. From them have internet service and them have data. They might not want to take the phone and do it because they're not into social media. But as a supporter of this channel, that's the way you also can support me, by taking a friend phone and subscribe to the channel. Excuse me. And just continue to share out the video them, share out the video them, and remember, just press that thumbs up to give the videos, that algorithm, and please to watch the ads. You understand? Remember, as I always say, you no see me pin no PayPal, no Zaypal, no Taypal. You no see me pin no Zelle, no Pel, no L, no Cash App, no WhatsApp, no Dash App. So just watch the ads them. Yeah. Anyway, my people, I'm there end up on a little big man reasoning, First and foremost, I want to donate 2 tissues to, I should make it 3. Sorry, just a second. I want to donate 3 tissues. 1 for TGal, 1 for Uhraine, and 1 for me shit. Because their mouth is very filthy. And if them run out of tissue, I have a lot of newspaper here. As well as newspaper first, I should have offered them. Yeah, because them full of so much filth up there, so. All the one Uhraine, she were having the false teeth, and the false teeth are rotten, and the gum are rotten. Me no know all that. A history that. But my people, these 3 persons continue to find a lot of time to go around and investigate as according to them. Investigate as according to them. Which we know, as sensible people, they are not doing heck. They are just coming on their platform, builds up story, organize with people to call in on them live. People to call in say, yes, them know, and them used to GoFundMe. People for call in and say, okay, yes, I work in the banking sector, and this is how things goes, and this is how it can go and can't go. Yes, money can't be frozen. Yes, money can't be this. The bank can't hold on for your money because we play and tear. All those type of people, they get them to call in. Because, let me tell you this, TGal, Mishit, and Uhraine has no credential or no character. You understand? For us out here to believe that, yes, someone calls in genuinely on their program to say to them, okay, well, yes, the bank can froze the money or fridge the money, or the bank can put it in at the bottom part of the vegetable go, or what. And me believe, me don't know if another believe. They have no credibility. We know the type of person they are. they will do whatever it takes to get some false allegation, false statement, and false everything going, just like the false teeth where she have in, and the false ass where the next one have on. Me don't even know the next one in the car. Me say she's an unknown species. But they continue from day one with Uhraine until now, trying to bring this little boy down. Right? I go on this little boy Facebook page today. Sometime in the evening, I go on his Facebook page. I don't even go on it, you know. I was like strolling through Facebook and, you know, not accidentally, but it automatically that, me don't know, I just glimpse him name and I just go boom and click and I see he puts out an article. Or I think, what an article or statement whatsoever. And I'm going to read this statement for you people who might not come across it. But these people, 3 persons, if they see this article and them don't stop, we know definitely them don't have a heart for nobody at all. But if one not have it for them pitney and them pooper, who them going to have it for? If one next one not have it for fear mama was dead and gone, where she said she give a good burial in a one like a piece of raw tombing with some broke up tile where she got beg a hardware because them they never pay for. You understand? Who them going to have any respect and comfort for if them not have it for them own? Michelle, T Lady, and Lorraine. But people, I'm going to read. This is Uhraine Miller Facebook page, and I want you to listen. This is an article, because see if I find the time. This is like 6 hours ago. This article was put out. Speak my mind, people. Planka Nation, 1nation, stands alone. Have an open ears. I'm quoting from Uhraine Miller now, people. Can you believe it, guys? The first quarter of my tuition has been paid, and I have received an acknowledgement from the institution today that it has been added and uploaded to my account. A few weeks ago, I was hopeless as to where I would even get such funds to not only pay my tuition, but also prove to the embassy that I could finance my education for at least a year. Alright, stick up in before I go any further. Me even hear the whole investigation of these 3 stooges. These 3 triangle, rectangle, cesspool, pit latrine, everything we do is shh. You understand? People, I don't know nothing about embassy, embassy or embassy, because as I tell you every day, I don't even have a passport. But me hear the TGal continue to swing with this. How much AD compound radio station at Canada was asked question about this guy tuition and him school and what him go study and whatsoever. And AD says she don't even know. And she make a big mockery out of it. She are going to say, so oh yeah, take up GoFundMe. First and foremost, remember this GoFundMe was not built by AD. This GoFundMe was a GoFundMe TGal with it also on your page. You were also trying to assist this young man, but guess what? You don't have no credibility and no background for do such thing, because it come like everything for go with GoFundMe. You love it because you know the source of how you can get something from it. Because as I said in a previous video, you come and you talk all kind of things and you know everything about GoFundMe. And you are someone who have been operating GoFundMe more than one time. So basically, that's the way how you know how to do what is it to do to take what you to take from it. AD dons, AD no know nothing. AD never build a GoFundMe. This guy comes with his GoFundMe, featured by more than one radio station, TV station. It brought to the knowledge of AD, and AD see the need of helping this little guy. Basically, AD might don't do no form of due diligence as should have normally done with any other student, with any other recipient that she planned to help. Reason being, if he was also highlighted by a few of our major news station, which is probably print media, the Star, TVJ, our main TV station in Jamaica, AD might just think as, okay, everything has been checked, everything has been fine. So she just go ahead, raise some funds. She don't take the funds in her hand. She make the people them donate it to his GoFundMe. So she never have nothing to do with the money physically. She never have nothing to do with the GoFundMe setting up either. So this alabaloo and I go on like say it's all a scam and it's all of this and it's all of that and who this and who that, and Chris having friend them at Germany and them this and them that, and that's the reason why Chris got Canada and all kind of ass dead and cow fat and all kind of scenario wanna come with. Where nothing at all wanna come with no add up. Every day wanna come with the same line of reasoning and nothing na add up. And as I say, you know we want to carry down the woman so long, you have so much evidence, and every day you rise a different case and can't come out with that evidence in the 20-40 case before. So it only goes to show you don't have nothing upon her. But as I say, AD just go along and ask the Planka Nation where you are worried about Planka Nation donors' money when them now worry about it. And this is the reason why I would have gladly and feel happily if before this week or next week done, AD run a marathon for another donor, another recipient, whether schoolers or whatsoever, just to prove a point to you say the donor them will donate them money. Now worry about them money. I don't worry about donors' money. Because under see the same donation I come out from the same set of donors that we are donate over and over, even new donors. But you sit down and worry about donors' money. When donors is okay with whatever AD I do. You claim to say AD come like she take one piece of black cloth or something and tie them face. Blindfold them so them not see clear. It no matter to you if them not see clear. I wanna work the people them money. Whatever way the people them earn the money and willing to donate it to a needy cause, I work the people them money. Come forth now. Come up front and come tell me if I wanna work the people them money. Wanna continue to worry about people money. You TGal, as me say, you go talk about how school fee pay before him get the visa. No ask Auntie Dana that. No ask the embassy, ask the school and ask Uhraine. Suppose that's the policy. You have to make sure you pay the tuition fee, because getting the visa once you are probably, I would say, not you have a clean record then, police record, whatsoever. After you pay the school fee, I'm just saying this now, you know. After you pay the school fee and you can prove that, okay, yes, you can pay for your first year semester, or your first year tuition, or your second year tuition, and whatsoever, then from you pay that and you have your receipt and you take your receipt to the embassy will automatically grant you the visa. Oh, no question and find out if I saw it go. But on a fix it for no way because you say, okay, him supposed to get the visa first before. So 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other. Him no can prove to the embassy say him have the money in the bank. See it now. When I some of the money him put in the bank. Boom, the embassy give him the visa. Boom, him fly out and gone to Canada. Boom, the people them go so boom and get back their money where them lend him to put in the thing. Only no look pan it so he can't go that way there too. So what about if this is the way it's supposed to go? Where him have to pay the tuition first, get his receipt. When him get him receipt, him carry it to the embassy, and then the embassy grant him the visa because the proof is there that yes, he's going to an institution in Canada to further his education. And so it go for Uno. It's a hanky-panky scheme for Uno. I want to look on it for Uno way only, but you know, look on it on the other day way, because there's no flip side for nothing for Uno, you know. That's just one way how Uno see it because I saw no want it go because I saw Uno have it to try to bring down people. Anyway, continue with your aim. Which part I reach? Hopeless tuition, but also prove to the embassy that I could finance my education for at least a year. Well, on this day, I can say that because of this community, the Planka Nation, it has been made possible. A big shout out to Auntie Dana for her Planka Nation alongside the news outlet in spreading my story and making a young man dream come true. That's how we only want to see. Only want to see the youth dream come true. Verse and only going to get the glory. You understand? My aunt will be paying the other quarter of my tuition this weekend, as she is also allotted 10,000 Canadian per payment. On the other hand, I can tell you guys it has not been easy, especially when they are grown adults spreading propaganda. When they are grown adults, grown hogs, not adults, grown hog like Michelle, T Lady, and Lorraine, spreading propaganda about this entire situation. There are days when I just go into depression. You see it? When you send a little boy in a depression, give thanks to God, he's right there with him. And if it's not him, his disciple or some angel is there with him. Because there's not many people go in depression and come out, you know. Because right now, someone in it on yourself, you know. And you're just on the brink of collapsing. You understand? When I hear the false accusation and no one would know how I feel, as I am the one in the middle of all this. Like, come on, no. Look into yourself and realize that I could have been your own child. Uhraine? Thank God none of them are your mama. Thank God Uhraine Miller said none of them are your mama. Because you have one way fear picking them despise her. And you have one next one that carry her picking from Old Lava every weekend when she was in Jamaica to Kentucky in Constant Spring to mix and mingle with the upper class people who don't even pass Liga near Barbican or Manor Park for Comer Springs, Kentucky, on Constant Spring Road. How lie them is. So thank God none of them are your mama. May I tell you? These accusations about someone who is trying to progress in life. How do you feel about misleading others? And I can't even blame them because they are not even aware of it. Honestly, I wanted to do my entire process in private, but I can't. Have people having doubts about me. Auntie Dana or my aunt, Karen Daly Barrett in Canada, who has called me countless times, crying that they are damaging her reputation. But this is what you people have put out in this world to do. You understand? You feel your own self in life. And because you feel on your own self in life, when you comes around want to feel people like people is the one who feel uno. When you feel on yourself with the dirty deeds and ways you want to have in a life. Someone who want to move to the front of the line too quick, as me say, and when you not go so and make the start and go off, you falter along the way for some reason or the other. And then when you falter on the system, on the chance gone, the next man in line will take him time to reach the top. You don't want to pull him down for no reason at all. You understand? Countless time I cry that they are damaging her reputation, unacceptable. However, thank you once more for those who kept believing in my journey. Regardless of what was said, I do feel overwhelmed, but I keep going because I am Uhraine Miller and I will not stop until I achieve what I have set out to do. Lord, may I beg you, help this little boy to come shame them swine here. Help this little boy to come shame them three agya. Them three agya where they even have a shelter over them head. A good thing ag love nastiness. A good thing ag love dirty water. A good thing ag love rubbish. Because if rain fall and wet on a pen, you won't feel no way. Because you know a three old swine, three old hog. And hog love nastiness and germs and dirtiness. You understand? See that? See that, my people? This is from the school. They accept the money that proven that he has paid the money. See there? People can just go on Facebook and type in Uhraine Miller. You will see it comes up. And you will see. Okay, my people? Me hear them also upon a live attack. How much Dana come forth and put up screenshot. And if it scratch out, why she scratch out and why them scratch out. You dumb ass niggas. Who said you are so much educated? And any form of documents, important documents, some form of security reason won't be published. So this is not nothing new. And if you read, you see where it states that please do not expose his registration number and some other thing. And that's the reason why it was scratched out. And any farmer given things like that, some security reasons, some part of the farm is going to scratch out if you're going to come publicly and show it. And you are so educated that on education leading to be a dunce. You are educated fool. You, Michelle, we claim to say you work in a law firm who are doing most of this investigation, as I assume, because it seems to me the one Larry the Lizard, she have no knowledge, she have no probably primary school education. So that's the reason why you comes in right here, because all along you wasn't around. You understand? But suddenly you has appeared because you say you work in a law firm. So basically, Lorraine want a little help with somebody who proclaim to be educated, who works in a law firm, who comes up with no form of evidence, no form of, what do you call it now? Evidence where you can say, yes, see it here, this is what we are investigating, this is what we are talking about, see it here, Facebook, see it here, YouTube. Them supposed to go around there so and around here, so we see them come. See we are showing it here, see them they are travel around there so and I saw. What the reason why them are travel so when I saw them figure? Not even that you can come with. Your investigation every day you come farm in the same line, Michelle. Nothing new. The same old story in and out every day. No evidence can come forward before you, and now you still no evidence. And if you say you work in a law firm where manpower you are doing at the law firm, share coffee and wipe down desks and clean down books and stuff. If you are so much an investigator, why not go further your education in some university and be a part of the law firm by being a lawyer? Instead of the on YouTube, Facebook, and waste your time because you're not get us red cent from where you do your say. So I can't say it's about the money, because Lorraine says she not come on YouTube and God tell her not come on YouTube, and she come on YouTube and go behind God will, but yet still they so honest, diligent, gorgeous, courteous and loving and fearing and all kind of person good where you want to put it she is. And now me can't see her channel and move from one place to the other. Over Facebook she still not make no money over there neither. So Michelle, in your big quality job where you have, Lorraine when you have no primary school education, cartoon worse, and the others where they on the platform both as supporters and the calling people, them where not bribe for calling and coax them and tell them what to say. Me hear one calling what day, and when she call in and the phone answer and she start chat, say it's like she try to erase what she supposed to say. We want to carry her go reverse and say because she don't want to forget it. You understand? So you are plotting with people to call in for a program and say things to make on a program look like yes, you know I do something, but you know I do nothing. More than try to bring down people where I do something in life because you know stagnant and now move. You know water get greener and greener. I be a morass crocodile soon living on water, you know the way on stagnant. It's time to go on. It's time to move in a different direction to try to change course and get on a life going. Don't wait till this to come over bringing on the shame, you know. You can move on from here. Because what you want to say is not going to happen. You understand? So, make us see what is going to be on the next case. What we're going to bring come. You understand? Because it's 3 years going 4 soon. We have so much evidence to bring down somebody, to convict somebody, and we can't come with none. But we're going to keep on building new cases, just to stay relevant. Well, Uhraine Miller, just go and big up yourself and hold up your head and go for your goal, youth, and shake off all of them 3 agya and the rest of them followers and reach your goal and come right back in the phone, come shame them. Yeah, but when you get all the privilege when you're there at school, Uhraine, when you reach and you get to you're there at school, you do have some live, you do some video secret and send, come get Auntie Dana, post it on your page, you know, so we can share it out, because we want to shame them while we're sharing it out. Because them 3 agya, I try to bring down people, but at them I go down. Speak my mind, people. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Continue to support the channel. Press this thumbs up anytime you hit the channel to watch the video. Please remember to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel over there, Life is a Mission. The year done, the month done, and I still not get the Valentine's present. It's still a move in a slow pace. You understand? But nothing done before time. But me I beg you to just go over there, go subscribe to the channel. Life is a Mission TV, the backup channel. Speak my mind, people. I'm out, you know. Thanks for watching.